what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Adonis. You know what I'm saying? We're back here with a video. I'm actually recording with my phone, so my bad if the quality's ass. Just want to show you guys what I'm doing real quick. I don't want to show you the car, so you're gonna have to wait for the video, but I'm doing something to my new drift car. If you follow me on Instagram, you know what it is, but if you don't, then you're not gonna know what it is. Alright, so as you guys can see right here, I got the wheel off, and I'm not gonna show you the wheel because then you're gonna know what the car is. But basically, look how bad this shock is. Look at that shit. It's all rusty and it broke in half. That's the first time I see that. It is crazy. So right now I'm actually replacing that shock, and I'm gonna replace the other side. It's kind of rusty over here. I plan on taking the wheels off and just painting all this with undercoating so that it don't get more rust as it is. But over here, I don't want to show you the car. I got the new pieces that I need. Just want to compare the difference real quick. Give me a second. Oh wow, it's yellow. Okay, I didn't expect it to be yellow. But anyway, so this is the new shock. New one, old one. How crazy is that? Anyways, I'm gonna start putting this on real quick, so I'm gonna put you guys somewhere around here and then you can watch me. Wait, give me a sec. You guys gotta see this shit. I know you can't hear me because of the vacuum noise. Sorry about that. But look at this. Look at the difference. This is brand new. Oh, how ridiculous is that? Can't wait to put this one on. And definitely needed this. With a bag, so I don't want you to see the part number, but that's the brand I got. Cheapest brand. Comes with the hardware. So right now I'm trying to see if it has this like rubber piece, because this one doesn't have it. So I'm gonna check that out right now. So yeah, it comes with hardware, so you guys can see. So it does come with the hardware. You know, basically one, I'm assuming one goes somewhat like this on the shock, and then up top in the inside of the car in the trunk, the other one goes on top of that, squished. That's what I'm assuming. We're gonna find out. See how this shit goes. No, a lot of shit don't come with instructions, bro. I'm telling you. All right, so let's go to the top. Oops. All right, so now we at the top. I'm about to put you guys down in a weird position. Let's see how I can do this. I think this has to go to the hole like that. So let's see. Yeah, that's how it goes. And then this goes on top. And then we need a bolt. So it technically comes with its own bolt. I don't know if you guys can see that. My bad for the camera angle, bro. I'm trying to do the camera and at the same time. It's gonna be hard. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna press this in so I can get thread. So I'm gonna have to go on the bottom, jack the car up, maybe. Let me do that. So I'll put you guys here. See if that works.
Should I go to Advanced AutoZone or to AutoZone or to Stop and Shop?
That work.
I've done it.
It's up to you. That worked. So all I do was jack the car up. I'll show you guys in a minute where you have to jack it up at. Tighten this. Then I do old school because I don't have the socket. Just have the wrench. Everything's wrench.
You should say sorry for the noise.
But what?
You should say sorry for the noise.
I did.
I know.
I did. I should have put the GoPro mic on this. It probably would sound better. Huh? Yeah. Oh well.
The smartphone don't have a bad mic.
Anyway, so when I get to the next part, because it's gonna be a while, I'll go back. All right, so this is with the new shock in place. It's already bolted on. That's how I got the jack on. So if you want to extend the shock all the way to the top, which is over here, to get that long, you know, needle so you can screw the bolt, you basically got to jack it up from there. You lift it up, and then once you lift it up, then you'll be able to jack it, screw it in from the top. But there you go, it's already bolted on. It's a real big difference compared to this. Huge difference. Yeah, like I said, all that rust, I'm just gonna undercoat it black, so I need to do brakes soon too. But anyways, let's do the other side. That's the fun part. Yeah, so I thought the other side was bad, but this is even worse. Look, it's broken here and in the center. Oh, this is ridiculous. I just wanted to show you guys that real quick.